Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data into easy-to-understand insights. Today, November 27th, 2024, we're focusing on Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Recent news headlines highlight a range of opinions, from bullish forecasts suggesting a potential continued upward trajectory to more cautious predictions. Some analysts believe Meta's recent earnings reports and conservative guidance signal a potential period of consolidation. Others maintain a long-term bullish outlook, driven by Meta's dominance in the social media sector and continued investment in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. Let's begin by looking at the daily chart for Meta. The overall trend over the past few months has been largely upward, punctuated by periodic corrections. We can identify several key support levels, acting as floors for the price to bounce off during these pullbacks. Similarly, there are noticeable resistance levels, acting as ceilings that have momentarily stalled upward momentum. The recent price action reveals a potential struggle between bullish and bearish forces. A breakout above the most recent resistance level could signal a resumption of the long-term uptrend, while a decisive break below a major support level may suggest a more significant correction. Now, let's zoom in on a shorter time frame to gain a finer understanding of the recent price action. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we observe a more granular picture of the recent price fluctuations. Notice the short-term support and resistance levels that have been consistently tested in recent trading sessions. The frequency of these tests provides further evidence of the ongoing market uncertainty surrounding Meta's stock. These shorter-term price movements could be related to intraday trading activity or reactions to specific news events. We can also observe the volume patterns on the 1-hour chart to see if volume is supporting price movements or not. High volume during a price breakout suggests strong conviction, while low volume during a price drop or a rise may suggest weakness and a possible reversal. By examining the volume data across multiple timeframes, we can observe whether the current trend is likely to continue or reverse. Now, let's delve into the 15-minute chart for even more detailed price fluctuations. We're focusing on price and volume movements on the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart paints an even more dynamic picture, showcasing short-term price swings and the rapid response to news and information flow. Note the quick shifts in momentum and the various support and resistance levels on this time frame, which might present short-term trading opportunities for scalpers or day traders. Here, we can see how short-term sentiment can affect the stock's price in the short term. To summarize, Meta's price action is currently presenting a mix of bullish and bearish signals. While the longer-term trend seems bullish, the recent price consolidation indicates uncertainty. Key support levels to watch are around the $500 mark and the recent lows of around $450 and lower. Resistance levels are located at approximately $570 and recently around $600 and higher. A decisive break above $570 with high volume would reinforce the long-term bullish outlook. Conversely, a break below $500 with high volume could signal a more substantial correction. While predicting short-term movements is challenging, we should monitor the 1-hour and 15-minute charts for any significant breakouts or breakdowns. Key levels to watch are the near-term support and resistance levels observed in those charts. These will give better indication of what might happen next.